Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 8.5. Okay, in this we will add the given decimal. Okay, first of all I am taking first question, that is 0.005 plus and 0.87 plus 3.52. This one example I am taking. So first of all, what you will do, first we will check that are these in like decimal or not. So first of all we will convert them into like decimals. Okay. So here it is 1, 2, 3 after decimal, here 2 and here also 2. So we will change all of them into 3 after decimal, 3 decimal place, up to 3 decimal place. So it will be 8.70 and it is 3.520. Okay. Now add them. 0.005 plus 0.870 and 3.520. Okay, now add them. And addition you all know. One carry you will take and it will be 4.395. Got? Now see the next one. Next one is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. Now again we will convert them into like decimal. So it will remain same. Here we will check this one. We will convert it into 3. After decimal place it should be to 3 digits. Okay, so here all are in 3 digits. So you have to remember this thing. You will check that what is the largest number of digits after decimal. So here the largest number of digits after decimal is 1, 2, 3. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So we will convert all of them into 3 digits. Okay, so now we will add them. 0.007, 8.500 and it is 30. So instead of writing like this, write this one first. 080, then 8.500, then 0.007. Add them. It is 7, it is 8, it is 5, it is 8, it is 3. So 38.587. Now here is the third one. Now here after decimal place, this is the largest number of digits, this one having 1, 2, 3. Now we will convert them. This is only 15, means it is whole number. So after decimal we will put 3 zeros. Here it is 0.632 and 13.800. Okay. So first of all we will write down 15.000. Then 13.800, then 0.632. Okay, so this is 8 and 6 is 14, 1 is carry, here it is 9 and here it is 29. So it will be 29.432. Okay, now see, it is, now we will convert it into like decimals. Okay, so it will be 28069, because after decimal it is 2 digit here, here 2, here no digit is there. So we will write like this. So we will convert after decimal, we will write 2 digits. So 25.20 and 38.00. So 280.69, 38.00 and 25.20. It is better if you will. Okay, now this one we are arranging it into descending order. Okay, so here it is 9, it will remain 8 and 8 and 5 is 13, 1, here it is 12, 13, 14 and 1 and it is 3. So 343.89. Got? First question, question question is Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65 and he gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? Okay, and there's what is the meaning of question? That here that Raju gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper, from which he has purchased a book of 35.65 rupees. Okay, so how much money he will get back? In this we will do what? Which operation we will use here? Subtraction. Okay, so how we will do subtraction? See here, in word problems we will solve the questions with statements. So first of all we will write down money given to the shopkeeper. Money given to the shopkeeper is rupees 50. Okay. Now cost of the book. Cost of the book. Okay. Cost of the book is rupees 35.65. Now money left with Raju. We will subtract it. Now here is the subtraction. It will become 4. Here it will become 9. Again 9, and here it will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So how much money he will get back? That is rupees 14.35. Now see the next one. It is Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. Now how much cloth is left with her? Here it is a word left. So mostly these types of question we use to subtract. Okay. So again we will write down the statement. Length of the cloth. First of all, length of the cloth. It is the length of total cloth. Okay. It is 20 centimeter 20 meter 5 centimeter. Okay. So first we will convert it. 20 meter plus 5 upon 100 meter. Okay. It is 20.5 meter. Now length of cloth for making curtain is 4 meter 50 centimeter. So it will be 4 meter plus 50 upon 100 meter, and this one we will convert, and conversion we have done in earlier exercise also. Okay. So these two measurement we have convert them into meter. Now we will find the length of the cloth left with her. Now see, length of cloth left with her is 20.05 meter and 4.50 meter. Okay, so here 5 minus 0 is 5. So here it will be 1, 9 and 10. Again it is 5. Here again it is 5 and 1. It is 15.55 meter. Okay. Now here is the next question. Question is Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kg. Okay. Total vegetable he is having is 10 kg. Out of this 3 kg 500 gram is onions and 2 kg 75 gram is tomatoes. And the rest is the potatoes. Means out of that 10 kg, this much is onion and this much is onion and this much is tomato. So rest which is remaining is potatoes. So we have to find out the weight of potatoes. So first of all, we will write down total weight. Total weight of the vegetables is 10 kg. Okay. Now weight of the onions. Weight of onions is 3 kg 500 gram. This one we will convert 3 kg plus 500 upon 1000. Okay, and this 3.500 kg. Okay, 3.500 kg. This much is onion. Okay. Now weight of tomatoes. weight of tomatoes is 2 kg 75 gram. Okay, so it is 2 kg plus 7 upon 1000 kg. Okay, so it will be 2.075 kg. It is the weight of tomatoes. Now we have to find the weight of potatoes. Now what we will do, we will add the weight of tomatoes and this onions and we will subtract it from the total weight. We will get the weight of potatoes. Okay. Now see here, we will find out the weight of potatoes, total weight minus addition of weight of onion and tomatoes. So first of all we will add them. Okay. So addition of these two is here 3.500 and 2.075. This is the addition 5, 7, 5 and 5. 5.575 kg is the weight of onion and tomatoes. Now we have to find out the weight of potatoes. So we will subtract from 10 kg this one. This one we will subtract. Okay. This is 5.575. This which we will get, that one will be the weight of potato. It is 9, 9, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And this is 4. So weight of potatoes is 4.425. Okay. So weight of potatoes is 4.425 kg.